Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and we're going to start with our math lesson. Today we're going to continue working with part, whole. I know yesterday's lessons were a little bit tricky. Today should be easier because we're going to work with numbers within 9. So let me get our sheet pulled up here and then we'll begin. All right, so you can see here we have our number bonds. And you know from what we've been doing the past few weeks that number bonds consist of part, whole. And your whole number is your big number. So in this one, they already give us the whole number. So before we begin, I want you to look at your number bond, and I want you to label your part, whole. So look at the number bond right here, and you're gonna label part, whole. When we find our whole number, it's the circle that's all by himself. Can you see it? Yeah, right here. See how the circle's all by himself? So we're gonna label it with our little W, and we're gonna label part. Now this already tells us that our whole number is 9. It says there are 9 leaves. Color some of them red and the rest of them yellow. Fill in the number bond to match. Well, the first thing we need to do is make sure that we have 9 leaves. It says that there are, but let's just double check. So let's just double check there's 9 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. We have 9 leaves and it says 9 is our whole number. Just wanted to check that. Now, this can be done any way that you want to do it. I'm going to pick my own way and you can do that with me, or you might choose to do it another way. So let's see. There are 9 leaves. Color some of them red. Well, I'm going to get my red crayon and I want to color, I think I want to color 5 of them red. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest of them yellow. So let me get a yellow out. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to make our number bond match that. So we know that there were 9 leaves altogether. And then I colored some of them red. How many red ones did I color? Well, let's count. Let's see if you remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, so I colored 5 of them red. And how many did I color that were yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them yellow. Let's check our work. So if I have 5 red leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 yellow leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, does that make them into 9 altogether? We'll check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It works. Next one says there are 9 acorns. Color some of them green and the rest yellow. Fill in the number bond to match. Ooh, so this sounds a lot like the one that we just did. So before I start, I want you to look over here at your number bond. You know what I'm going to say. We need to find part, whole. So which circle is going to hold your whole number? The one by itself is going to have your whole number. See how that one is by itself? The others are going to be our parts. Part. It says there are 9 acorns. That sounds like our whole number. So let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. I got 9 acorns. I'm going to go and fill in our whole number, 9. Some of them are green and the rest are yellow. Once again, you can choose how many you want to color green and how many you want to color yellow. So I'm going to get my green pen out. And I think I'm only going to color one of them green. And the rest are going to be yellow. So I'm going to get my yellow crayon out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we know that 9 is our big whole number, we're going to look to see how I broke them apart. How many did I color green? 1. So if I had 9, one of them is green. I'm going to go ahead and write that in my number bond. I colored one of them green. How many did I color that were yellow? Well, you're going to have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Let's check our math. So if I have 1 green one and 8 yellows, so what comes after 1? I need to add 8 more fingers. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do I have all together? 9. Does that match my whole number? Yeah, we did good. And the last one, it's kind of short today. Draw 9 birds. Color some of them blue and the rest red. Fill in the number bond to match. So this is like what we've been doing. We're going to look at our number bond first. You should know where that is by now. Here's your number bond. And we're going to find part, whole. So which circle is going to be the whole number? The one by itself. Part. So draw 9 birds. This time they didn't give us any pictures. We're going to have to do that ourselves, but that's okay. I don't do very good birds, and that's all right too. We're just going to draw I'm going to draw a little bird head. 1, 2. That's pretty rough. Let's try it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Draw 9 birds. Color some of them blue and the rest red. Okay, and get my blue crayon out. Oh, you know what I want to do before we do that? I want to find our whole number. Draw 9 birds. What is our whole number? 9. So you can go ahead and write a 9 with your W. And now we're working on our parts. Color some of them blue, so get your blue crayon. I'm going to color 1 bird blue, 2 birds blue, 3 birds blue, and the rest of them red. So I'm going to get my red crayon back out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now we have 9 birds all together. How many did I color blue? Well, let's look. To me, let me see. Let's look at my bluebirds. 1, 2, 3. I see 3 blue birds. So I'm going to break that as my first part and write that in. And how many birds are red? We're going to have to look again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 red birds. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in as my second part. Well, let's check with our fingers. We have 9. Let's see. We have 9. And I put 3 of them over here. So let's see. We have 9. We have to put 1, 2, 3 on one side. And that should leave 6 for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Looks like it works again. This is just one more sheet that is practicing part, whole. So I hope that helps, and we will do more on this tomorrow. I hope everyone has a great day.